Shri Qadar Mohiuddin Sahib, IUML National President, Shri Syed Tangal Sahib, IUML Kerala President, Shri Kunal Kutti Sahib, National General Secretary, and my sister, Minister from Telangana, and my very good friend also, Seetaka Garu, all the dignitaries on the stage, and this enormous sea of people who have gathered here. I am very honored to be speaking in front of you. On one side we see the ocean with water, and on here we see the ocean of people, ocean of Indians who have gathered here to fight for India, to fight for India's togetherness, to fight for India's diversity, unity of India. You have all gathered here. My salute to all of you. This Waqf issue started in Karnataka. BJP in Karnataka made up all kinds of lies about imaginary issues about Waqf. They created a controversy for 3-4 months under the chief ministership of Shri Siddaramaiah ji. We were ready for a discussion in the assembly. We allowed them to say whatever lies they wanted to say. Siddaramaiah ji and myself, we wanted to reply to all their lies in the floor of the assembly. BJP did not want to face the truth. After having said all their lies, they ran away from the assembly itself. But on the floor of the assembly, Siddaramaiah ji and myself demolished all the lies BJP had made up about the Waqf issue. BJP is propagating, BJP is spreading nothing but lies, lies, lies about Waqf. They are all full of lies. I don't know how do you say in Malayalam, Noona Parayannu, Noona Parayannu, Noona Parayannu, Noona Parayannu. How do you say all lies? Allam Kallam, Allam Kallam, Allam Kallam, Allam Kallam. BJP is Bharatiya Janata Party. They are made up of lies, nothing but lies. We exposed their lies in Karnataka. We told that in each case, BJP was creating fiction only to divide people, only to divide people. Nothing else. The same thing they are trying to do at the national level now. Why are they doing at the national level? We must understand. Congress party AICC has asked me to be present here to extend our support to IUML in their fight against this Waqf bill. Congress is one with the rest of India, with IUML, everybody, in demanding the repeal of this Waqf Act. Now I will go beyond that. I will not simply repeat that. Why are they doing that? We must understand. BJP is doing this because after 11 years in power, the poor in India are getting poorer. Only the rich are getting richer. All the hard work, sweat, blood, toil of poor people is going to the houses and the accounts robbing from the poor and giving to the rich. They want to hide this reality. After 11 years in power, BJP has failed to give jobs to Indians. Today, there are no jobs for our youths. They are highly educated youths in India, but they have no jobs. They want to hide this reality. After 11 years in power in India, all the essential commodities like diesel, like petrol, gas, dal, oil, all prices have gone to the sky. They want to hide this reality. To divert public attention away from failure on jobs, failure on price rise, and failure in against the poor, BJP has brought in this water issue just to divert our attention away from the real issues, the issues of our day-to-day life. The only intention of BJP is to